Hello, scholars. Here's another problem. When John bought his new computer, he purchased an online computer help service. The help service has a yearly fee of $25.50 and a $10.50 charge for each help session a person uses. If John can only spend $170 for the computer help this year, what is the maximum number of help sessions he can use this year? You know what? This kind of looks like an inequality to me. So let's see how much he's spending each year. All right. So sort of the upfront cost is 25.50. If you remember from the previous problems, this would kind of be like a fixed cost or fixed fee. So when we come over and we're adding up the total he pays, we can just do that first, right? So we get 25.50 plus 10.50 for each, and if you remember this term for each, right, that translates to multiplication. So we get 1050, for each. So we'll do like a multiplication help session. We don't know how many help sessions he uses, so that's unknown. Let's call that X. He can only spend $170. Okay, so if he can only spend that much, that means he has to spend, 170 or less. So this amount has to be less than or equal to 170. All right, so you guys know how to solve this. We'll just get rid of 2550 from each side. All right, this cancels. Bring this term down. We're left on the left-hand side with 1050x. Bring down the inequality sign, keep it the same, and we got 170 minus 2550. All right, and so we get 144.5. So now we have to divide by the coefficient. So divide by 1050. And let's see what we're left with over here. So 144.5, divide that by 1050. And we get x has got to be less than 13.76. So x is less than or equal to 13.76. And basically over here we said x was the number of help sessions. So he's got enough for 13 and then almost enough, but not quite enough for the 14th session. So basically you could round this down and say the most help sessions he could pay for, he can really only pay for 13, whole sessions. So your answer is going to be 13.